Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. Y minus 1 we put on the left, dx we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we have the final answer. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. Number 1, that is about y. The integration 3x squared, we have x to the power of 3. The next one that is about x squared over 2. And the next one that is about 2x. And I will put about c. Now we have conditions. That means when x equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 1. So we can put number 0 cone here. And negative number 1 cone here. So we can find the value of c. And we have c equals to number 3. And now we put number 3 cone here. This one we have 2x squared. That is the end. Thank you for watching.